morning, guys. This is Larry, WINN Pro Turf Management. We are out at another location in Dekalb County, and what we're going to be doing today, we're going to transform this place from pine straw to black mulch, and we're going to take you around on the property and show you some before and after photos and what we're doing and how we do it. And if you want to reach our office for this type of service, you can reach us at 770-415-1131. That's WINN Pro Turf Management. I'm Larry.
Here's a machine we use a lot on our mulch installation projects, where it helps relieve stress on our techs' lower backs from pushing wheelbarrows back and forth, get to location to location, and it also helps from tearing the client's lawn when we're doing the installation.